I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have legal permission and the right accounts. Once that's confirmed, sign into the service or device where recording's live. You'll need admin or owner access. If you don't have it, request it now. Next, choose the correct source, carrier logs, VoIP provider, native app, or local device storage, and note the date range you need. Make a quick backup of any existing logs before proceeding so you don't risk data loss. Once logged in, navigate to call history or recordings. You'll see filtering tools, apply date ranges, phone numbers, or inbound versus outbound to narrow results. If you're on a provider portal, select Export and choose CSV for metadata and MP3/WAV for audio. If files are on device, use a file manager or backup tool to copy them to a safe folder. Make sure files are intact by sampling one or two before initiating large exports to avoid repeating long downloads. You finalize by validating exported records. Confirm timestamps match expected calls and play samples to ensure audio quality. Then move everything into encrypted storage and restrict access to authorized users only. If recordings are missing, make sure you haven't exceeded retention limits. Check backups and device recycle bins. If that fails, contact the provider with exact call times and account info. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.